Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique.
Today, we're diving into a detailed review of the Andaseat Kaiser 3XL gaming chair.
This chair has been making waves for its impressive feature set and competitive pricing, so let's see if it lives up to the hype.
First off, let's talk about the design and features of the Andaseat Kaiser 3XL.
It boasts a classic bucket seat design with plush PVC leather upholstery. The build quality feels robust, thanks to its steel chassis and ergonomic structure.
The chair comes in several color options,
each maintaining a gamer-centric aesthetic with adjustable lumbar support and a magnetic headrest pillow.
Comfort-wise, this chair doesn't disappoint. The seat offers ample cushioning with bolsters that strike a balance between support and comfort.
The 4D armrests are a standout feature, allowing for precise adjustments to suit different sitting positions and activities. The reclining function smoothly transitions from 90 to 165 degrees, ideal for both gaming marathons and quick power naps. In terms of build quality, the Andaseat Kaiser 3XL impresses with its sturdy construction. The materials used, including the PVC leather and internal bracing, contribute to its durability.
During my testing period, which included extended gaming sessions and work hours,
the chair held up exceptionally well without any noticeable discomfort or wear.
Moving on to performance, assembling the Kaiser 3XL was straightforward. Although some may find the process a bit involved due to its weight and design complexity. Once assembled, the integrated lumbar support system proved to be a game-changer, offering customizable comfort with easy-to-use adjustment dials. Now, how does it stack up against competitors like the Secretlab Titan Evo and Razer Isker XL? While the Kaiser 3XL shares many features with these high-end models, such as lumbar support and recline options, it comes at a more budget-friendly price point. However, its design may appeal more to dedicated gamers than those seeking a chair for professional office use. In conclusion, the Andaseat Kaiser 3XL is a solid choice for gamers and home office users looking for a comfortable and feature-packed chair without breaking the bank. It excels in comfort, adjustability, and durability, making it a worthwhile investment if you prioritize functionality over a sleek, professional appearance. That wraps up our review of the Andaseat Kaiser 3XL gaming chair. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Also, let me know what other products you'd like to see reviewed on Product Critique. Until next time, happy gaming and productive working.